Alright, so we have these broken door handles, both sides on the Metro. We're going to go ahead and brand new one. She ordered off eBay or Amazon. And we're going to go ahead and take it out.
The direct could only die. I'm dreaming of you. I dream of a new life.
So that was super hard to do with one hand. So take that bolt out, take that bolt out, you pull that lock out, you pull that little piece out this way, and at the top of this thing there's a screw that if it's not ran all the way out it won't push this far enough, so we had to run that out some more to get more length to push this down. So you stick this actual handle piece in from the outside, pop that in, put that in, and then you're good to go. And then you got functioning door handle again. Yay! Now, second issue. This doesn't have a window crank on it, which we bought. Pretty cheap. But the window, when you roll it down, kicks cockeyed and does not want to roll up or down very well. So, these tracks, it doesn't want to stay in these tracks very well. So we bought some silicone lubricant. It acts like it's sticky, so we're going to spray that in there, try to clean the tracks out real good and see if that helps it any. Other track at the bottom of the window is filthy, so spray, clean that, leave that out, and see if that helps it. Well, our cleaning and lubrication helped a little bit with the window, but something in the gears down here when you roll it out is still wore out and wallered, and when you lower it, it still falls out of the track all the way down, so you're going to have to help it back up. So, for right now, we're going to put the door panel back on and try to figure it out later. Other issue is this has no rear view mirror, so I got this off an old 80s Chevy. We're going to glue the bracket that goes onto that right there, and then Bob's your uncle. There's the bracket glued, and it says let sit for 30 minutes to cure, so that's what we're gonna do.